This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Official Roblox badges are issued only by Roblox Corporation through events, promos, or staff allocation. Developer badges are created by game creators and awarded inside their experiences, so badge design and rules vary by game. To pursue official badges, treat Roblox events and official channels as the sole source. Do not expect in-game creators to grant Roblox-issued status. Understanding this distinction is the foundation. Badges visible as official come from Roblox programs, while most badges you see are game-specific and controlled. Verify your account email and enable two-step verification before events. Roblox often requires verified accounts for promotional badge eligibility. Participate in Roblox official events, challenges, or verified creator promotions to qualify, and complete required tasks exactly as posted. Follow Roblox social channels and event pages for exact dates, rules, and badge release so you do not miss limited windows. Keep account settings updated and check notifications during events. Missing a requirement or deadline is the most common reason for losing a badge opportunity. Official badges cannot be bought. They are earned through actions Roblox specifies, and any marketplace offers claiming otherwise are scams. Document steps you complete and keep screenshots if claiming an instructional issue with Roblox support. Include dates and event names when requesting help. Respect Roblox rules and terms. Account infractions can void badge eligibility for specific programs, and shared or exploited accounts may be disqualified. If you aim for multiple official badges, track each event separately and prioritize verified Roblox announcements for accurate procedures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.